Hey guys, it is 2019. Can't believe it. Happy New Year. So a couple things. So our first whole season is finished and we are in development for season 2, which we are super excited about. And we would love to hear from you. So we're doing something kind of special because we're gonna have some gap in there between when our last episode came out and when the next one will be available, because we're making them now. So next Thursday, the 10th, we are going to do a Facebook Live at 10:30, wait, not 10:30, 8:30 a.m. That's right, 8:30 a.m. Central Time, and we would love to see you there. It's just gonna kind of be like an Ask Us Anything. If you have questions about some of the shows that we've talked about, maybe it's about debt or buying a house or whatever, we're gonna be open for questions, and we would love to chat with you and hear directly from you about what you want to hear about for season 2. What do you want to learn? What have you been wondering about when it comes to money? So see you there. We'll tell you about it again later. And finally, what is in this fancy gold box, you may be wondering? Well, I wanted to do an unboxing video of our regional Emmy that we won, which is crazy, as like, you know, people who were actors for a long time. This is kind of a surreal moment. So are you ready? I'm gonna open it with me. It's such a pretty golden box. Oh, look at that. It's like black satin, and then, oh my gosh, look at this thing. Look at that. Holy moly. This thing is heavy. You can't tell, but oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. I was expecting, like, you know, a little soccer, everybody wins a trophy, like flimsy meat. No. This thing is, hang on. Oh yeah. This thing is amazing. And it says 2018 Lone Star Regional Emmy Outstanding Achievement, 2 cents. Thank you guys. This is because of y'all. And oh, look at that. There's like fancy writing on the bottom. All right. This is super cool. Anyway, thank you for sharing that with me and with us, and we will see you next week on Thursday. Bye.